Hi friends, welcome to this miraculous morning. This is a 11-week WhatsApp session where you are ready to transform each areas of your life. You must have gone through the yesterday activity, how tapping can make a difference. There were certain questions which I felt that let me do a video and guide you how exactly you want to do. So you have been given three things yesterday: an audio explaining about the technique, the picture of the 7 points, the tapping points, and the statements. Now these statements are more than the 7 tapping points. So what you need to do is you need to continue with the 7 points again and again. And I'll show you one demo of yesterday's session. Now this session, this tapping, you will have to do it at least once a day for next 6 days. Every week I'll be taking up a new concept, the new points will be shared with you, and you can begin to transform your life. This is super easy. Some wanted me to help their children also with such kind of spiritual techniques. You'll be happy to hear that you can share the same technique with your children. Creating miracles is everyone's birthright. So if you are able to share with your children and you are able to let them also tap along with you, make your family, involve your family in this tapping and transform your complete family life. So let us begin. The origin of the tapping is from EFT, Emotional Freedom Technique, but it is not very easy for all of us to follow. So based on my strength, I have come up with 7 simple points of tapping which can bring about a difference. So the first point is before your eyebrows. The second is at the end of the eyebrows. You have the picture of Mona Lisa where all the points are shown as well as written. The third point is below your eyes. The fourth is below your nose. Fifth is on your chin. Sixth is on the collarbone and 7 is on the crown chakra. What you need to do with each statement repeated twice, you need to tap it with 2 fingers because these are also acupressure points. So in case if you miss with the 1 finger, the 2 finger will support you in your tapping. Ideally, you don't need to count, but when you're tapping, it would be approximately 7 times you're tapping on 1 point. Let me give you a demo. Let us begin with the yesterday activity of creating miracles. We begin this tapping and saying, I have seen other people get miracles in their life. I have seen other people getting miracles in their life. And then you move to the second point. But I don't see a lot of miracle in mine. But I don't see a lot of miracle in mine. The third point. Maybe other people deserves them more. Maybe other people deserves them more. The next point. Maybe the universe doesn't hear me when I ask for a miracle. Maybe the universe doesn't hear me when I ask for a miracle. The next point. Maybe I am not good enough to get miracles. Maybe I am not good enough to get miracles. Next, on your collarbone. I just don't see miracles in my life. I just don't see miracles in my life. Now going to your crown chakra. But I would love to see them. But I would love to see them. This is a very interesting concept. Whenever you are using but, whatever you have stated negative before that is clearing out and also putting in the positive about, but I would love to see them. So you are ready, you are opening your crown chakra to see miracles. Now you will again continue with the first point. I would love to trust a higher being to bring me miracles. So first 7 points were negative and now you are tapping for the positive. The next point, maybe I have a problem trusting my higher power. Maybe I have a problem trusting the higher power. So if your area of concern is lack of trust, by tapping your trust in your higher power will increase. The next point, maybe I have a problem seeing the good that is in my life. Maybe I have a problem seeing the good that is in my life. Again, a very important concept. You have a lot of good in your life, but when you fail to see it, you don't experience it, you don't achieve it. The next point, I really want to see miracles. I really want to see miracles. Next point, I really want to feel closer to a loving force. I really want to feel closer to a loving force. Next point, I want to believe I can have miracles in my life. I want to believe that I can have miracles in my life. Again, going to the crown chakra for the 14th line. I am willing to see miracles in my life. I am willing to see miracles in my life. And this completes the one circle of your tapping. After you have done your tapping, I want you to close your eyes, breathe in a couple of times, taking deep breath in, deep breath out, and slowly relaxing your body. Do this at least once a day. Do it with your family if the family is ready. Help your children also experience miracles in your life. And as a homework, what I want you to do is create a gratitude journal. By the end of the day, every day, I want you to write what are the good things that has happened in your life. Write down the gratitude in your book and share it in the group. After the week, you'll be given a new concept to work upon. The practice will remain the same. What makes the difference is your commitment. So commit to do first thing in the morning. Create miraculous morning and attract miracles in your life throughout the day. At the end of the day, write down about your miracles in your journal. Share it on the same day or the following days. Enjoy, expand your life, transform your life. Till then, light and fragrance to all of you.